Let's start with the ingredient that packs the biggest punch. It's extracted from the Haematococcus pluvialis, a rare freshwater microalgae found only in the deep, undisturbed waters off the coast of Okinawa. For centuries, this unique strain has survived in some of the harshest natural environments on Earth, building up an extraordinary nutrient that scientists now recognize as one of the most powerful vision-restoring compounds ever discovered. In the lab, Dr. Price and his team began referring to it as RPA-1, short for retinal penetration agent number 1, because it's the strongest compound ever shown to actually reach the fragile cells where vision loss begins. In fact, RPA-1 is 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C, 550 times stronger than vitamin E, and 800 times more potent than coenzyme Q10. Once inside, RPA-1 goes to work on two critical fronts. First, it dissolves the hardened PETE optical plaque that chokes off light and strangles your vision. And it doesn't stop there. It goes on cell by cell, restoring photoreceptors, the light-sensitive cells that allow you to read, recognize faces, and see contrast in low light. A 2020 study in the clinical ophthalmology found that just 6 milligrams of RPA-1 per day for 4 weeks led to improved blood flow in the retina, reduced eye strain, and causing a 78% increase in visual acuity, especially in low light conditions. That's why fighter pilots, elite athletes, and even astronauts are starting to use it to stay sharp when the pressure is high and the lighting is poor. But for you, it means finally being able to read the fine print on your phone, seeing the color of your loved one's eyes again, and watching the sunrise without everything looking washed out and gray. Once the toxic optical plaque starts breaking down, your eyes need help flushing it out and repairing the damage left behind. That's where the Ecklonia cava comes in. This rare brown sea algae grows in the frigid volcanic waters between Korea and Japan, one of the harshest marine environments on Earth. To survive there, it produces an unusually powerful group of compounds called phlorotannins, which act like antioxidants on steroids. To even be harvested properly, divers must wait until just a few weeks each year, when the tides shift and the water temperature hits a narrow biological sweet spot. Once it's pulled from the seabed, it has to be processed within hours, gently dried at low temperatures, then cold extracted using a specialized alcohol-free method. Why? Because the phlorotannins are incredibly fragile, and heat destroys them instantly. That's why 99% of Ecklonia products on the market are useless. However, when sourced and processed correctly, Ecklonia was shown in a 2021 study from Kyunghee University to inhibit MMPs. MMPs are tiny enzymes that eat away at soft protective tissue in your eyes, making it easier for that toxic PETE plaque to stick and build up. But here's the kicker. This compound also boosts blood flow in the retina by up to 400%, according to a clinical study on ocular microcirculation. Why does that matter? Because once blood flow is restored, your body can finally sweep away the waste. Think of it like a fire hose flushing soot off a windshield. Ecklonia cava clears the sludge, calms the inflammation, and washes out the debris. A separate study from the Korean Food Research Institute showed it reduces oxidative stress in retinal cells 45 times more effectively than vitamin E. And the results? You don't just see a little sharper. You'll start enjoying 20/20 clarity again, seeing road signs clearly from a distance, picking up subtle contrast in shade and texture, even reading in low light without straining. Once the plaque is broken down and flushed out, your eyes need steady daily support to stay clear. And that's exactly what Laminaria japonica provides. It's a rare, deep ocean sea vegetable harvested off the cold shores of Hokkaido, Japan. What makes this brown kelp so powerful is its abundance of fucoidin, a natural compound that binds to the residues of environmental toxins, processed food chemicals, and you guessed it, the PETE plaque that clings to your retina. It also contains trace minerals like zinc, copper, and selenium, which your eyes need to regenerate healthy tissue. According to the studies published in the Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, Laminaria japonica doesn't just protect your eyes against the future toxic optical plaque, it also neutralizes their toxicity and helps the body flush them out even faster by activating key detox pathways. And because it's so rich in eye-repairing compounds, Laminaria has also been shown to improve tear production, boost night vision, and keep the retina nourished and hydrated, even in older adults. In short, it's like a deep cleanse and daily moisturizer for your eyes. It's precision healing that rebuilds your vision from the inside out.